Hello everyone, today I am going to show you some basic flowers using quilling comb. You can also use your hair comb to create them. So let's start. Scissor, quilling comb, tweezer, fabric glue. You can also use your normal glue, half cut pearls and 3 mm quilling strips. Inserting the strip in the 7th slope of the comb and apply glue like this. And stick them. Now insert the strip in the decreasing order. Like we insert the 7, now we insert in 6, now 5th, and 4th. Here I am making 4 loops. You can also increase or decrease your number of loops. Now apply glue and cut the excess strip using scissor. Remove from the comb, and here it's ready. Similarly, I have created 3 more for making a flower. I also created a tight coil. If you don't know how to create a tight coil, I will give you the link in the description box. You can check there. Now apply glue and stick all the petals to the tight coils like this, and it's done. Again I am inserting in the 7th slot. Sorry for the camera issue. Apply glue. Now we will insert the strip in the decreasing order on both sides like this. First side and second side. Follow this pattern till the desired size. Here I am making 4 loops on both sides. In the end, apply glue like this and stick it. Cut the excess strip and remove it from the comb. And here it's ready. Similarly, I have created 3 more for making a pattern. Using tight coil, stick them all like this, apply glue, and here it's ready. For making this pattern, insert the strip in the 2nd slot, apply glue. Now hold it for a few seconds using tweezer. Now in the increasing order, insert the strip and again insert. Continue this process till the desired size. I am making 7 loops here. Inserting the last one. Apply glue and cut the excess strip using scissor. Remove it from the comb. Now pinch the petal from the both sides, bottom and top. Hold it from the bottom and do like the top using finger and pinch it from the both sides like this and do like that, and it's done. At the end, using glue to hold the whole petal. After dry, it will ready. Similarly, I have created some more petals and I am making the flower. Now apply glue and stick all them together. It's done. Here I am using my half cut pearl in the between. Apply glue and stick it. And here it's done. Now insert the strip in the middle of your comb. Apply glue. Hold for a few seconds. Insert the strip one by one from the both sides. Continue this process till the end of the comb. Here I am making one extra loop like this and stick it with the glue. Now remove from the comb and make a teardrop shape like this. Now apply the glue on the top and join them. And it's ready now. Similarly, I have created 3 more petals. Now join them. Again I am using half cut pearl. Apply glue and join them. After dry, it's done. Now, as we did in the second last flower, we insert the strip in the second slot. Now apply the glue and stick and continue the process as we did in the second last petal. Insert the strip in the increasing order. Here I am making 6 loops. Now I am using glue. Cut the excess strip. Now remove it from the comb. Pinch little bit from the bottom. Similarly, I have created 2 more petals. Little bit curve them. Now join them all and create a petal. Now wrap the whole petal with the strip. Using glue to secure the end. Cut the excess strip and it's ready now. Similarly, I have created 2 more petals. Join them together with the help of tight coil. Apply the glue one side of the tight coil. Now place it in the between like that. Hold it for a few seconds and it's done.